Find unknown values. Example 1. The distance to a building is 2,000 meters away from a point. The angle of elevation from that point is 30 degrees. What is the height of that building? So let's visualize this. So we have a triangle that's formed. So this would be the height of the building. Right there. Here is our reference angle. So this is the 30 degrees. And the distance from this point to the building is 2,000 meters. So what we're asking is to find the height. Also the opposite side of the right angle. So when we look at this, we're looking at, we have a known value here, we have a known angle, and we just need to solve for the opposite. So bringing all together, what we've learned is that if we were to take the tangent of 30 degrees, because this tangent of 30 degrees gives us the ratio of the two different sides, which is the opposite over the adjacent, which is also 2,000 meters. So if we were to rewrite this, tan of 30 is equal to opposite over 2,000. Now for this, in order to get to what the height is, we need to go ahead and multiply both sides by 2,000. We do this so we get rid of it on the right hand side, and we're left with just our unknown. So in order to find this, we need to get our calculators out. So we would take the 30 degrees, take the tangent of that. So that's 0.577. Then we're going to go ahead and multiply by 2,000. And we're going to get 1,154.7. So our opposite side is equal to, so the height of the building, and this is in meters. So this is our height. Now let's do another example. Example 2. The height of a tree is 20 feet. The angle of elevation from a point is 35 degrees. What is the distance from that point to the tree? So let's draw this. So we have a point and we have a tree. So we know that the height is 20 feet. So it makes up this line here on our triangle. Now we know the angle is 35 degrees. So given that, we're trying to find the distance or the adjacent side of the triangle. So in order to solve for that, we notice that we have the opposite side and we need to find the adjacent. So we're going to use tangent again. We have the tangent of 35, which is equal to 20 because it's opposite over adjacent. And this will get us to what our distance is. In order to get adjacent all by itself, we're going to go ahead and multiply both sides. So this gets rid of it in the denominator. Now we need to get rid of it on the left-hand side. So if we have it here, the tangent of 30 is equal to 20. What we need to do is just divide both sides by the tangent of 35. So now we have the adjacent side on the left all by itself, and then we have all the known values on the right. So let's get our calculators out. So we take 20, and we're going to go ahead and divide it by the tangent of 35. So we put in 35 first, then we take the tangent of that, which the tangent of 35 is 0.70. Then we put equals, and that would be equal to 28.56. So the distance is 28.56 feet. And that would be our solution to this problem.